Navigating the real estate wholesaling world can feel daunting and overwhelming. The risks of missing out on the right tools can lead to wasted time, lost opportunities, and potentially costly mistakes. But fear not. With the right software solutions by your side, you can streamline your processes and enhance your efficiency, turning challenges into opportunities. We are GrowthSense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. Let's dig into some of the most effective software tools that can transform your wholesaling operations, helping you connect investors with motivated sellers seamlessly. Number 1. PropStream. This is a powerhouse for real estate wholesalers. Imagine having access to a trove of property listings, tax records, and foreclosure data all in one place. PropStream makes lead generation and market analysis a breeze. You can filter leads based on equity, property type, and location, which means you're not just reaching out to anyone, you're targeting the right people. The skip tracing feature is a game changer, allowing you to locate and contact potential sellers without hassle. Number 2. DealMachine. This tool takes a unique approach by allowing you to scout neighborhoods in person for distressed properties. You can snap a picture of a property and send a postcard directly to the owner within moments. The free, unlimited skip tracing feature is incredibly valuable for quickly reaching out to potential sellers. I've used this app myself and can attest to its effectiveness. One campaign helped me secure deals in no time. Number 3. BatchLeads. If you're looking for speed and efficiency, BatchLeads has your back. It offers quick access to lists of expired listings and pre-foreclosures. The bulk texting feature saves you time by letting you send personalized messages to many leads at once. Plus, its advanced analytics allow you to track performance metrics closely, helping refine your marketing strategies based on real-time data. Number 4. REI Kit. This software is all about scaling investment operations efficiently. It includes powerful tools for lead management and property analysis, making it easier to conduct thorough market research. The customizable CRM helps organize your contacts and automate follow-ups so that no potential lead slips through the cracks. Number 5. REI Simply. If property management interests you, this software is ideal for enhancing your investment efficiency. It automates marketing campaigns and streamlines the entire process from acquisition to closing. With its integration capabilities across various communication channels like email and SMS, you can maintain seamless interactions with clients. Number 6. ReRail. This tool is designed specifically for real estate investors and wholesalers, offering CRM functionality that simplifies lead management and automates marketing efforts. The smart call tracking feature helps identify which marketing sources generate quality leads so you can optimize your advertising spend effectively. Number 7. Podio. As a customizable work management platform, Podio is excellent for managing leads, tasks, and files all in one place. You can create tailored workspaces that fit your specific needs, automate repetitive tasks, and connect with other apps using Zapier for even more enhanced functionality. And here's a bonus: GrowthSense.com. This platform stands out for its user-friendly design tailored to those dealing with distressed properties. It integrates various wholesaling solutions for efficient management and tracking of interactions with buyers and sellers. With detailed market insights at your fingertips, GrowthSense empowers investors to make informed decisions seamlessly. As you dive into the world of real estate wholesaling with these tools, remember that each one can significantly enhance your efficiency and effectiveness in closing deals. Stay tuned for more insights on how to leverage these solutions to maximize your success in the competitive market landscape. For more detailed information and resources on real estate wholesaling, visit our site where we provide comprehensive tools and insights designed to help you thrive in this exciting industry.